Hey there, this is Ludwig from Phasio, and in this video we're going to make use of AI. And the beautiful thing about the pricing on the Phasio platform is that this is written in a TypeScript equation editor. And TypeScript is a programming language that's very well known by AI models like Claude AI or ChatGPT. So let's just take this equation here and go into a Claude chat and be like, hey, what do you think about my equation? And in order for this to work even better, we can provide context to the AI about the equation editor and about available functions and things like that. And this is a document where there's context for AI. You will have access to that through the documentation of the Phasio platform. I'm just pasting it in here, hit enter, and we'll see what the result provides. And you can really make extensive use of AI to understand pricing equations that you either got from someone or you got the templates from the Phasio platform, understand what's going on, and maybe also improve it, right? Or maybe you need some custom changes because you work with specialized parts and you want something just for yourself, right? So it says already there's a typo. Yep, I knew that. Then it adds a bit of rounding, and there's like a rounding function now. And there's some key changes that it's made, right? But the point that I want to make is like, should we consider area, for example? We should consider just next to the volume pricing also surface area, right? And you can sort of go through and also share what kind of manufacturing process you're sharing here with the AI to get more results. Let's just maintain it. Then when to include area, it's like, for example, for print time consideration, and there's like a potential of an enhanced version. You see that there's now surface area in here as well. And then you can also extend this even further. Can we determine complexity of a part? And you can really go deep into geometric complexity ratios, like wall thickness ratios, if you are on the pro tier and you have access to the wall thicknesses, or different aspect ratios. And as I said, go deep into finding the right metrics for your price calculation. And whenever you're happy with something, I'll just take this minimal example. You can press copy here, go back to the Phasio platform, and actually leave this equation editor and create a new equation. And this will be here our Claude version, and we can just paste this in here and it will work out of the box. You have just to create a new variable, which is the surface price. I'm just going to do a hard-coded one with an 0.2 in here, and that will work for us to play and to understand whether this is actually good or not. And just hit save and make sure before you start playing with it that you actually mark this as live as well, so that you see the results from this equation. So do make use of AI to understand equations, but not only understanding them, and there you can also further develop them or go deep into your specific manufacturing technology and different options of how you could price those. Thank you, and hope to see you soon.